Hello, my name is Carlos Daniel Barajas Arenas, and it is my project. Um, Will this is my final project for the web page I use it to resume a Bootstrap template. On the home page, we have a little introduction to the topics that we're going to talk about, which will be web design usability, product catalog, product shed, and commerce checkout. And design web. Let's start with what web design and usability are. Web design of the set of visual attributes full with hub as action, buttons, style, interacting images, and text that will functional for web page. Okay, and usability is so that a full feast is the mission which to sell of production of service, but adapting to the style of the company that which has been the architecture of all content news, products of servers for sale, etc. One of the most used programming language for web design are Java and C++ and PHP, etc. Okay, before is the usability. Mm, Then have the usability is useful to have a good design if buttons of the things on the web page are not usable. To make it difficult for user to use the web page. We always have to observe that the loading, speed, and visibility are good of your page. Okay. Uh, Before I will see, we will go on to the following topic. That is the product catalog. It's one of the most important for planning or your business resource. So we must have the catalog very well. Category sheet, we have three that will be the universe. Category and subcategory of the online store where are your products are, and you know which on the bill the volumes to, for example, if you lock in the shoes, if they will be on that category, and the subcategories you can get different types of shoes are running, playing soccer, casual army, or other type for shoes. um, the search, and we have the search engine in kind as loot that help use search of products and that car of their use, and the autocomplete in order to find the product search. As when observe the search engine very important of the website, and you offer the help to user. And I will see, mm, and we'll know with the product file. This is one of the most important things in e-commerce because this is subtle of the seller in physical store to understand how important this make user want to add the product to the basket, and there is where we put the price. If you have an offer who is delivery, the name of the product image in description, at price, the CQ shows the international reference number, transfer, and various things that our user can add it. Who we can see is the images. This is what iman by the above site. This is the price, and the price is image, descriptions, uh, and delivery is the things. Okay, yeah. Okay. Checkout and e-commerce. In e-commerce, you continue with the checkout in e-commerce. The basket. Sorry. Okay. The basket. Mm, the basket is the online store in the important element that must always be visible on your website and must always the present of navigation menu for web page use of either for food friendly clothing store of whatever. Emails recovery. The email recovery is now have a basket recovery emails. This is an interesting feature in current e-commerce because, for example, if you leave a session with your activity for a long time and your product is a lost day sent in your email for if of is the type uh, that should not pass that 24 hours and to be able to recover of the product or the to able to return it who we can see in the image in the what many by the object at site. Mm. I will see that emails recovery for Amazon. The is the book email. Okay. Okay. Check out. And finally, we have the checkout of the online store. It consists of process that begins with presses by button of the this detail use that must follow. There's three pillars, which will be clarity. This means that the information of system and cost must be clear at all of times and hidden. We also you have the simplicity that it will be that the information we ask the user and the favor breaks we put on the disk will improve your results and confidences. This is so that the user all time has reasons love trust use as their security in the payment that to the product will arrive safely and there will be no problem. Okay, this is me, my name, my description, and my D conclusions. Okay, will this wall be out from a hub you have been excellent on the year and see you soon bye. Happy holidays and thank you for watching my video. This is my project finally and see you in others other year. Yeah, goodbye.